Pacific Point Preserve. My name is Yolanda. I'm the orange umbrella and the green shirt. Nice to see you guys. Our food booth is open. Feel free to go up and purchase some trays and you can feed these amazing animals. Our California sea lion and our harbor seal. Just a few things while you're feeding them. Make sure you watch for an animal who's paying attention to you. They could be making eye contact, waving, clapping, or barking. Lots of barking. And that's enough to know they're ready for you. Then you'll quickly throw the fish like a dart. And ready to watch your birds. They will by one letting out of your hands. When you're all done, side and walk again. So if you see these guys once in a while, please refrain from feeding them. We don't want to alter their natural behaviors. We're just going to admire them from afar and keep our distance. And then you can come back here to SeaWorld and feed them here instead. Now, like I said, we have sea lions in here and seals. You may be saying, I don't know how to tell the difference between a seal and a sea lion. And that's okay, because I'm going to help you out. One of my favorite physical differences is those ear flaps. If you see an animal that has two little tootsie rolls on either side of its head, that's going to be a sea lion. And those ear flaps help them with their directional hearing. They can point them in different directions to hear better exactly where they need to. Those seals will have ear holes instead. They're just two little holes about the size of a pencil eraser on either side of their head. And you can just throw those in the water to help them protect their ears. They're going to be a lot like, if we think of it like half dogs, and the seals then are going to be more like cats. Or reserved. They're going to be hanging out by themselves more often. And if you're out at a restaurant, you can ask the waiter if that seafood is sustainable. And you don't have to worry about that here at SeaWorld because all the seafood here at SeaWorld is sustainable. So you're already helping out everyone out just by purchasing seafood here today. For those of you just joining us, we're talking about the physical and behavioral differences between seals and sea lions and how both of these animals can fish. And so the way that we can help them is to make sure we're purchasing sustainable seafood. For those of you who are looking to purchase some seals and sea lions, we're purchasing looking at you, making eye contact, and it's ready for them. And it's really making sure that they're and they will leave the rest of you guys rest. Watch out for the fly over. If you have a bunch of seeds on the other side,
It's not just buying seeds.